I'm getting pictures of you, and I'm getting a video of you sitting on the chair, or the arm of the chair, or whatever that thing is. Yes, I see you. I really don't care, Zeke. I'm just getting videos of Hannah, because she never, ever, ever, ever lets me take pictures and videos of her anymore. I have to be extremely quick. She makes it a challenge, she does. She's like the most adorable dog ever. Ever. Ever, 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 ever. And there's Coco thinking that I'm talking about her as usual, because apparently she's the egotistical one. Hannah. What are you doing, Hannah? Hannah? I'm taking a video of you. What are you going to do? What are you going to do about it? I'm taking a picture of you. What are you going to do about it?
Okay. Okay. Turn around.
See, this is the part where
Hi, Coco.
Patricia, this is how as far as I ever gone into this.
Yep. My cousin Zeke playing Alien Isolation. The most awesome alien game ever to have been created.
That's good news. Because things are not so good here. Something blew just now. Rocked this whole place. I saw it.
Yep. Axel, good buddy. I'm sorry, but you're going to die eventually, because I have seen Mecha Player play this game.
Something's on the station.
Ooh, something's on the station. No dirt, Axel.
You get it? Okay. Okay. What's your name? Axel.
There's Hannah's booty for you, because she's staring out the window thinking somebody's going to come in. And then there's the bird. Actually being quiet for once. Strange.
What's in it for me?
And here's the Coco.
How do I know I can trust you?
Isn't she the pretty one?
I need to contact
The pretty
my ship.
egotistical one?
This.
Her entire move, every time she moves, is just so adorable.
Let's go, sweetheart. Seek some comms in the system expire. It's quite a distance, but we can get to the transit.
And of course, there's my grandma. Briefly gonna get her, because she does not like being on here. She's moving my aunt's presents that she will open later.
Is that you following me back there?
Had to keep my distance. Can't take any chances.
Yeah, that's my reflection in the TV in the darkness. I know, my arms are really large and wiggly. Who really cares?
Inquisitive type.
There's the puppy again. And there's the Coco.
Don't move.
Say hello to the camera.
Okay, we're not looking for trouble.
For some reason, Coco is like deathly terrified of my phones when I take pictures of her and take video. It's weird.
Can you help us?
We don't need their help.
I'm almost to 4 minutes. I'm just gonna wait for 4 minutes and then have 9 seconds left. But yeah, this is what I'm doing on Saturday evening. Fun.